Put the rice in the thermos cup. It turns out to have this effect. Really practical. If you don't know yet, then you must watch this video. Hello, everybody. This is the ever-changing small kitchen. Let me share with you today the magical use of rice in thermos cups. Thermos cups are available in every household, whether it is usually used to make tea, fill hot water, or soaked wolfberries, etc. are very practical. Therefore, more and more people are using thermos cups, especially when the weather is cold. Female friends on special days. Who doesn't have a thermos cup yet? Then let's take a look together today. Your thermos cup can be used for hot water in addition to. Outside of making wolfberry tea, what else does it do? First, we prepare a beautiful white bowl. Prepare the right amount of rice. I have prepared a small handful of rice here. Add the right amount of water. Soak the rice completely. Then grab and mix it twice with your rich little hands. Wash the rice. Rice is very familiar to everyone, especially for friends in the South. It is an indispensable staple food for us every day. None of them. Whether it is to make rice or porridge, it will be used. Don't wash the rice too many times. Otherwise, it is easy to cause the loss of nutrients in it. Just wash it twice like this. Washed rice. Add an appropriate amount of water into it. Soak the rice for half an hour, or about 40 minutes. Be sure to soak in advance. This way, the rice is easier to ripen. Take out the water after washing the rice just now. Prepare a few red dates here. I have 3 ready here. Then prepare a small handful of raisins. There is also a saying among the people that there are 3 dates a day, therefore, for female friends. Usually eat some red dates in moderation, especially eating 3 red dates every day. Benefits for the body. Hard to buy. And raisins. It is in our lives a particularly common nut snack. It tastes sweet and sour. The taste is also super good. Usually, whether it is used as a snack or as a nut, they're all very good. After the first cleaning, pour out the rice washing water. Add the right amount of water in. Wash the dates and raisins 3 to 4 times until the surface is dirty, until the dust impurities are completely washed clean. So why wash it with rice washing water? It's rich in starch, has good absorption. We use it to wash raisins and red dates. You can put red dates and raisins in it. Excess dust and impurities, especially its surface folds. The dirty things inside are better absorbed out. After washing, remove the dates and raisins from the water. Then I will wash the red dates. Use scissors to remove the pulp from the top. Cut it out little by little. Cut a little smaller. Count faster. And remove the jujube pits. It's also safer to eat. Our friends who like to eat wolfberries, you can also prepare some wolfberry here, because I personally prefer raisins. So it was raisins. So here's the thing. Jujube is good, but if you eat too much, you will get angry easily. Under normal circumstances, smaller red dates, we eat about 3 to 5 pills a day. Do not exceed 3 larger red dates. After handling it, put it aside for backup. By this time, the rice has also been fully soaked. Soaked rice. We put our hands between our index fingers and our thumbs. Just rub it lightly with your hands, and it will break. Like this, the rice is completely soaked. If it's not soaked through, just keep soaking. Soaked rice. Dump the water inside. The water poured out can be used to water the flowers. The washing is very good. Don't just dump it and waste it. At this point, you can put the soaked rice. Put it directly into the thermos cup. Be a little careful when placing it. Don't put the rice outside the thermos cup. And then you add in the raisins and the jujube kernels. There are people in life who like to eat peanuts. You can also soak a little peanuts in advance. Put it in the thermos cup together. How much of all the ingredients? Be sure to decide according to the size of the thermos cup. Next, we boil a pot of hot water. Be sure to burn it to 99 degrees to 100 degrees. So don't pour it directly from the kettle. Be sure to boil this boiling water on site. Never for convenience. Use the hot water that comes with the water dispenser at home. That hot water is not hot enough. The rice cannot be cooked. After the water is fully boiled, quickly pour it into a thermos cup. Don't wait. After the boiling water is filled, quickly tighten the lid. Keep it in a completely sealed state. The above series of operations, we can do it before going to bed at night. Close the lid and shake it twice. You can fully mix the ingredients inside evenly. The effect will be better. Before we go to bed every night, use the above steps. After fully soaking all the ingredients, put it in a thermos cup. You can go to bed. Wake up from a dream. Morning, we can put the health porridge in the thermos cup. Pour it out. Unscrew the lid. Now let's pour it into a bowl and have a look. Wow, it's such a small thermos cup. It just filled a bowl. Did you use this thermos cup to warm up the porridge? It looks very good too. No matter whether you usually like to eat lotus seeds or peanut porridge, it can be cooked in this way. Although it looks like there is more soup, no rice cooker comes out, or as thick as it comes out of a casserole. But it's enough for a good meal. At least better than what you bought in the breakfast shop outside. After all, the ingredients are prepared by yourself. It's all your favorite food, not only healthier. And there are no additives. It tastes more secure. And the taste can also be based on your own preferences. To debug, like I like to eat sweets, I can add a little brown sugar or white sugar in it. If you like to eat salty, then you can directly add a little salt. Or with kimchi, would be even better. It's very simple and hassle-free, especially friends who are usually busy at work. This method is especially suitable for you because of the ingredients we use. It's what I usually like to eat. There are no additions. It tastes more secure naturally. Take a look at the public thermos cup. The porridge made is also very beautiful. It tastes really good too. And the soup inside is very rich. Like the current summer, it is also more summertime and thirst-quenching. The most important thing is the porridge made by this method. It's really convenient and time-saving for our friends who usually go to work. Very friendly. It tastes just right. Not as hot as freshly cooked porridge. Like we usually go to work. You can use this method. Bring our breakfast to the company. Pour it out and you can enjoy the food immediately. Both nutritious and healthy. And here's the thing. It won't delay our morning work. Kill multiple birds with one stone. Very nice. Friends who like it can have a try. So this is the kitchenette. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. That's all for today's video sharing. Of course, if you think my videos, if it helps you, you can also forward and share it. Let more friends know. Let more friends benefit. Then our video sharing for this issue is here. Bye-bye in the next video.